Guys, welcome to the channel. I'm E2P. My friends call me Eric. This is all new territory. But with this channel, really it came down to me and one of my other business friends. We were talking about different things, and we wanted to start YouTubing. Or never mind those brakes. We got new pads on the way. By the way, we're on sport mode in the 2010 GT3. Pretty much race only pads on this car. Well, the PCCBs, they got replaced with steel or iron rotors. They got heat cracks in them out the yin. They were replaced again once I purchased this vehicle not too long ago, and the pads were still good to go. So we left the pads on, even though they squeak so obnoxiously, it's almost embarrassing to come to a stop anywhere. Sit tight, friends. Pretty excited. This is my first ever exotic car. I've driven several, I've raced several, but this is my first actual owning one. And I don't think you could ask for a better first exotic car to get. A 997 Mark II GT3, not an RS, but hopefully by next summer, a 991 Mark II GT3 RS will be in the garage, either side by side with this bad boy, or maybe we'll trade up. Not sure yet, but fingers crossed, business moves being made. That's all that really matters. Look both ways before crossing the street, kids. Before I get too deep into this video, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, share where you like to share, enjoy the ride. Leave a comment down below for what's your top 2 favorite exotic cars. It's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday afternoon here in the Pacific Northwest, which covers quite a great amount of area. If you've never been up here, it's a lot. It's a lot of square footage, like I think maybe 10,000 or something. Now this stock 2010 GT3 has an amazing note, The audibles are just fantastic. Hashtag race car. We do have on order a new exhaust. It is coming. It is being built, manufactured, or it is being built. It will be here within the next couple of weeks. Everything is set up to get that installed. We have also some carbon fiber bits that will be showing up soon as well. We're hoping to make this car sound the way it really is supposed to sound. ride. I guess you can say the suspension is pretty stiff, yeah? We're not bottomed out. We're not bottomed out, boys. Not bottomed out. That, ooh, them chassis are tight, boys. What's coming? What's coming up? Man, people say you can't take a Porsche off the streets. Bitch, please. We got to get out of here. Well, boys and girls, I don't know where I'm at. I'm lost. I don't have cell phone service. Somewhere out here in Idaho. I may or may not be responsible for those. But this concludes the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Stay tuned to more videos in the future. Until then, enjoy your day.